The monotube shock absorber, as the name suggests, has only one tube. This tube has two compartments separated by a floating piston. The first is the working chamber where the oil is located and the rod is moved by a combination twin compression rebound valve. The second compartment is the expansion chamber charged with high-pressure nitrogen gas between 240 and 360 psi, which, thanks to its contraction and rebound effect, keeps the working chamber constantly filled with oil. The design is completed by a floating piston made of metal or sintered plastic material which separates the gas from the oil, preventing them from mixing.